Hello guys, most of them get 1 for this problem. It is wrong. How it is? 3 plus 2, it is 5 times this 3 divided by 15. Now 3 times 5 is 15 divided by this 15. Now 15 divided by 15 is 1. It is wrong. As per the order of operation, PEMDAS, multiplication and divisions are same priority and addition and subtractions are same priority. We have to follow this left to right in this order. First complete this. So 15 divided by 3 times this is 5. Now division and multiplication are same priority. We have to follow from left to right. So 15 divided by 3 times 5. We have to complete this first. So here it is 5 times this 5. Now 5 times 5 is 25. This is the correct answer. So the answer is 25, not 1.